Where do you think we're going, Morgan?
To a place that's really fun.
A place that's really fun. That's a good guess.
I don't know.
It's called Arecibo. We had one child complaining of being hungry, so we stopped at El Capitan de... Yeah.
Tomato.
Checking out the beach right behind the restaurant we just went to. That place was decent, but the little one definitely had the best thing on the menu. They had mofongos and burgers and some seafood stuff and some typical Puerto Rican food stuff like pork chops. But he had steak empanadas that were off the appetizer menu, and they were so good. They just melted in your mouth. Kind of freaked me out how delicious they were. But here's the little beach in Arecibo. And there's a jetty. There's a little dock over here. It's super calm, and oh, our boys are in the ocean. Okay. Oh, the lighthouse that we're supposed to be trying to get to is just right over there. Oh, well, if we want to get a lot, we should head over to the lighthouse.
Is this a real pirate ship?
No, it's a big one.
Looks real.
There's a caution symbol.
Oh, it says caution, so you can't go up there. It looks like some of the wood got a little soft.
I think I'm gonna go up here.
This was the first pirate ship they made.
Oh, yeah, I like
I need to drive my pirate ship. I need to drive it.
You need to drive it? Where's the steering wheel?
I don't know. That cave. It's on that cave.
It's extremely windy here, and I am in a dress, and so it's just kind of escaping me. Let's go.
your sunglasses on so we can see.
It's okay.
It's a parrot.
It's just a robot parrot.
Hey, look, there's a parrot.
Hey, Tesoro. That's treasure, right? I think he
Okay,
was talking about treasure.
let's go find the treasure.
It's okay.
I'm scared of the dark.
It's okay.
Here, come, hurry.
I got you.
Come.
It is dark in here, but it's okay because there's lots of cool stuff that is giving us some light to look at. Oh, that one moves! It's not a real person. I found some. Look right here. No.
What?
It's okay. It's nothing really scary. Are you looking at stuff? It seems like you're just running.
Come.
Some treasure.
This is fun. This is fun. It's in a TV. In a TV. In a TV at the ground.
Oh, this is the aquarium.
Yeah, this is aquarium.
What are you doing?
Pirate.
Look at this huge pufferfish. Oh my gosh. Those two eels look like buddies under there.
I'm very fine, like a pollo, and you?
Scared me.
No, I'm salutation, you greeting. Yeah, I say hello, hi.
Oh, it's beautiful out here. walking up to the lighthouse. Kids and husband left me behind while I just needed to take a break. I've got this pain in my side. It's kind of freaking me out. I don't know if I have like a kidney stone or something. It really hurts. You were worried? So you came to check on me? Look at this view up here. Will you show me? Come on, Morgan. Oh, cool. Oh, lost the hat, huh?
We can go on and get some treasure.
Well, now we should look at the treasure.
Oh, look, we need to
Oh, look at this big ship that they have.
we need to look at it.
Yeah, don't go past the chains.
Hey, what's over here?
I don't think anything else will look at that. That's all. Just look at them, okay?
What treasure is it? That's a steel.
Morgan, keep your stuff in your own hands or on your body.
Oh, we're supposed to steal the treasure because we're real pirates, Mommy.
Adios, amigo.
You got the other hat?
Alright, let's go find stuff that we actually can climb on and maybe get wet. You want to go splash?
Yeah.
Headed to the splash pad. They are not very interested in all this playground just right now because we have been out and about. And then I believe this up here is the zoo. This looks really cool.
Splash pad and that's a swimming spot.
I don't know, you want to go look before you get in? Let's go see. And it's supposed to be only for relaxing, not for splashing. But if you want to splash and have fun, you gotta go in the other one.
Which one do you want to go in?
Splash.
Okay, so go in the other one.
No, I know a splash.
Oh, you want the relaxing one? You want me to watch you? Was that one faster? This one's very shallow. Yeah, the other one is better for swimming, huh? This one's very, very shallow. Gotta let go. Oh, jeez. Hi, what you doing?
Put your head back in, kid.
I'm back.
Hey. Aww.
You're cute,
Alright,
donkey.
They wanted to see it too.
Donkey.
Oh, Morgan, no.
It's actually a real life donkey.
Oh, I wonder why he's such a nice donkey.
Hey, he looks nice.
Looks like there's another donkey. Wow. Guys, there's a tortoise. Really big. Can you see him in there? Let's see.
He's so cute. You're a nice donkey. Why he put the mouth so close?
I think he wants to kiss you.
Ooh, doggy.
You're such a nice. It's not hot. You can get on and I'll speak.
It's not hot.
Okay.
Whoa.
You want it to go faster?
Yeah. You need a super faster. Faster than super speed.
Morgan, do not go down the broken slide. Check out what they did. This slide is falling apart, broken. And so they put a board up blocking, but a kid could totally fit in there under the board. So what was the best part?
I bended my back on the swing.
The swing was the best part?
What about the donkey?
Donkey was my super best part. I bended him everywhere.
What about the splash pad?
I did that too. That's where we crazy way.
So which part was the best?
A donkey.
The donkey? You only spent about 3 minutes with the donkey. You spent about an hour in the splash pad. We spent, what, about 2 hours at that place, and overall it cost us about $55 to plan the four, including parking. So it took us an hour to get here. So not a great value for the money, but the splash area is pretty cool for little kids. Ooh, that lizard is huge! Lizard, there you go. So I don't recommend that place if you're like a history buff trying to learn about pirates or the island.